SQLAlchemy warning for many-to-many relation with association table. I'm getting this warning. SQLAlchemy/orm/relationships.py:3447, so warning, relationship group.members will copy column group dotted to column user underscore group dot group underscore id, which conflicts with relationships, built-in user dot groups, copies group dotted to user underscore group dot group underscore id. If this is not the intention, consider if these relationships should be linked with back underscore populates, or if view only equals true should be applied to one or more if they are read-only. For the less common case that foreign key constraints are partially overlapping, the orm.foreign annotation can be used to isolate the columns that should be written towards. The overlaps parameter may be used to remove this warning. That makes me feel that I have made a mistake in relationship definition. It is a many-to-many relation specified via secondary, association table. Below is working script / definition that will produce unwanted warning. Using SQLAlchemy version 1.4.0b1 and Python 3.6.8. Is this correct way to define many-to-many via association table? How to improve this definition to get rid of the warning?
In the end, solution is encoded in the warning itself. It is ti back underscore populates to relationship.